OneLogin is a cloud-based identity and access management platform that provides organizations with tools to manage user identities, authentication, and access to systems and applications. It offers a range of features to streamline identity management processes, enhance security, and simplify user access across your enterprise IT environment. Organizations might opt for exclusive use of a cloud-based directory over traditional solutions like Active Directory, driven by factors such as scalability, flexibility, rapid deployment, global reach, and cost effectiveness. This decision is influenced by specific organizational needs, existing infrastructure, and business requirements. Alternatively, some organizations may choose a hybrid approach, incorporating both cloud and on premise solutions to cater to their unique needs. Regardless of the chosen scenario, OneLogin can assist in consolidating your identity landscape and achieving your objectives. In this video, we'll explore how OneLogin can serve as that source of truth, offering a unified platform to manage your identities. When OneLogin functions as the source of truth, a new identity is first created within the OneLogin platform. Following its creation, OneLogin efficiently oversees the entire lifecycle of that identity. This includes managing seamless transitions for departmental and role changes, adjusting application access and associated entitlements accordingly, and conducting offboarding procedures when the employment concludes. Now let's take a look at what this looks like in OneLogin. I am creating a new user named Tony Smith. This identity can encompass various custom attributes and out-of-the-box attributes, including job title, department, manager, as well as common attributes like first name, last name, and email address. Once established in OneLogin, these attributes become instrumental in OneLogin's mapping engine, allowing the assignment of role-based access control, providing the necessary access to applications and entitlements. Mappings essentially consist of if-then statements, enabling the creation of rules within OneLogin. These rules can trigger various actions, such as placing users in groups or roles, applying password policies and authentication flows, and modifying user attributes. For example, you could utilize mappings to assign a OneLogin role to users who are assigned to the IT department. In the event of attribute changes, the mappings engine logic can facilitate adjustments to roles and entitlements. Additionally, specific provisioning actions can necessitate approvals from administrators or application owners. Upon the completion of the provisioning process, the new user identity is prepared for use. You can see that Tony has been assigned to the IT role and has access to specific applications. Furthermore, OneLogin also provisioned an M365 account with specific entitlements. When a user is marked as inactive in OneLogin, all associated application access granted during the provisioning process will be suspended. As demonstrated, OneLogin has overseen the entire lifecycle of the identity, from creation to deactivation. In essence, a cloud-based directory like OneLogin represents a contemporary method for handling user identities and access in a cloud-focused and distributed IT setting. Its benefits include scalability, flexibility, centralized management, and smooth integration with cloud services, making it an appealing solution for organizations adopting cloud technologies and facilitating remote work.